Yeah, anyway, yeah, this is the video about the EUR where we're gonna think of how to buy this pair, because I think it has retraced to make enough correction. Okay, I look this as a kind of a correction is complete. So definitely I think the best thing I'm looking here is to buy this thing. So if I want to buy, okay, like, let me put my boxes, I'm used to putting all these boxes right here. Okay, yeah, this is a box. This red box here, which I believe that we have to break out of this box, and then I'll put my own buy order right here. Yeah, my buy. This is the buy I bought. This is it. This is my entry right here. Okay, so by the time we break out of this box, I'm already in profit. Okay, now since we're going from this support zone, we found support here, and we're going to this resistance zone right here. So definitely, well, if I'm a support resistance trader, I might say, okay, let me get my profit right here before we break that resistance over there. Okay, if I am the one who looks like, okay, maybe I just want to get some few pips in a day, look, this, I can exit. I can exit right here on this ground here. Okay, from here to here, just few pips in a day. That's cool, just a few pips. If I'm still the type who knows about, the channel, okay, when the price starts from the lower part of the channel, it's going to the upper band of the channel. Then in this case, okay, let me get out at the middle of the channel. And some might say, okay, I don't want to do this. Let me get out before it breaks the upper band of the channel. Do you see this? So, this is the buying analysis of the EUR/USD. And this is the reason why I'm making a very fast, quick video, because, this thing I've been making it. This is my third time of making this EUR/USD thing. So I can't talk too much now about this, and I believe that you guys will understand it. Thank you so much.